What's wrong, Eliana?
I wanna fly.
You want to fly?
Can you help me?
I can't help you.
You can't help me.
What's wrong?
You can't help me.
Did you ask Mommy to help?
Did you think with your butterfly costume you were going to be able to fly like a butterfly?
I can't fly.
Real tears.
Eliana, I want to
to
fly too.
Well, baby, well, Mommy doesn't know how to fly. Daddy doesn't know how to fly either. We don't know how to fly. Huh? I don't know how to fly. I don't know how to, sweet. Mommy doesn't know how. I can't do it. No, I don't know how. Eliana, Mommy doesn't know how to fly. No. Maybe Daddy. Ask Daddy.
No, that's not fair. I don't know how to fly.
I know how to fly, Eliana.
No, don't.